Hey guys, this is going to be the Hampton Huntington with commentary, and so I'll just start on low real quick, just the light. So I'll tell y'all how I got this fan. It was my birthday, and my dad got it for me on my birthday. It didn't have these shades or nothing. It didn't have no shades. Those pull chains are not original. I just put that tassel on there because I like it. And it has the wood side on there, on the blades. Also I have it on the metal box. Can't see it up there, but yeah, it's on there. Also, I have a power cord running down there. But yeah. So, I found this fan on offer up for like about $10. It ain't have no shades, no nothing with it, just a bracket, fan blades, and so mostly the down rod is an original to it. It did come with the down rod, but I put that on my Harbor Breeze seating antenna at my dad's house in his garage. So yeah. And these pull chains came from that silver Hampton Huntington that I parted out because that switch cap was wiggly and I couldn't tighten it back up. So yeah, the hex bolt was screwed. The hex bolt was stripped. So yeah, that's why. I turn on medium. I don't really like these bulbs in it. I do like warm light bulbs or LED bulbs or incandescent. I don't really like daytime bulbs. And yeah. Also, these shades came off that Harbor Breeze heating tent in my dad's garage. I kind of liked it on this fan. And, I put I put the chandelier globes on the fan in that garage. So yeah. Also I extenders and pull chain extensions to it because I couldn't reach it. It was so short up there, So yeah. So that's medium. It was right there hanging up with that board. The long one. So yeah, but I decided to put it up here. But yeah. So I'll go ahead and turn it on high. No, it doesn't wobble that much. Only wobbles a tiny bit. But yeah. Here, see if y'all can see with the light off. Yeah. Like I said, I just have that cord running down, and then on the floor like that, the outdoor cord. So yeah. It's the rest of the shed, I just sweep the floor up in here. So yeah. I really like this fan because it really blows a lot of air. So, I put it in here because it's always hot in here. So yeah. And like I said, it doesn't wobble that much. It just wobbles a little. It's on the metal box and everything. So yeah. These are metal. Usually it would come with plastic, but these are metal pulls. And those, like I said, came off of that gray fan. I do have the original manual. It's actually right here. Here, hold on. That's my toolbox. You know, trying to flatten it out. So yeah, that's it right there. You know, it shows a white fan, but that's what came with it. So yeah, those are the model numbers. And this is like, I guess, the day it was bought and the store was purchased at. Model number 904, serial number. So yeah. I think I threw the box away, but it did come in the box, which I cannot find right now. But you know, it did come in the box, but it wasn't the original box. It was just a